Here's our brackets over here on the far left, and they stayed the same this year as they were in 2025. So there's no difference between 2025 and 2026, except for inflation up the brackets. And so the way these brackets work, depending on if you're married or if you're single, we can really draw the line here because up to this point, for all of these tax brackets, from 10% up to 35%, the married filing joint is double the single rate. But when you get into the 37%, there's a marriage penalty here. And so you could see that if I have, let's say, a couple and each of them make $500,000 a year and they're single, they'll both be in the 35% bracket, right? Because their 500,000 doesn't exceed the 640. But if they get married and combine that to $1 million, they're going to have $230,000 or so that's going to be taxed at 37%. And so they're going to pay a penalty for getting married. So this is something you always watch out for with high income couples who may or may not decide to get married based on financial reasons as opposed to more traditional reasons. But again, you can see this is where the brackets come in, and everybody pays these taxes on this amount.